two vectors a vector and b vector lie in a plane, another vector c vector lies outside this plane, then the resultant of these three vectors, that is a vector plus b vector plus c vector. Here we have given three vectors. First one is a vector and second one is b vector, and these both vectors lie in the same plane. So we have drawn two vectors a vector and b vector in a plane, and we will find the resultant of these two vectors, that is a vector plus b vector. Suppose it is represented with the help of this vector. So this is representing the resultant of these two vectors. Suppose it is represented with the help of r vector. So r vector is the resultant of a vector plus b vector, which also lies in the same plane as that of a vector and b vector. Now in this we have to add c vector. So instead of adding in a and b, we will add c vector in r vector, which is the resultant of a vector and b vector, which lies in the same plane as that of a and b. Now we will see the resultant of r vector and c vector. Suppose c vector is represented like this, which is outside this plane. So we will draw a vector which is outside this plane. Suppose this one which is outside this plane is representing c vector. So we have drawn a new vector, that is c vector, which is outside the plane of a vector and b vector. Now we will see the resultant of r vector, which is the resultant of a vector and b vector. So we will find new resultant with the help of r vector and c vector. Suppose the new resultant is represented like this. So this is representing new vector, that is the resultant of r vector and c vector. Suppose it is represented by r1 vector. So r1 vector is the new vector which is the resultant of r vector and c vector. So once again, r vector is the resultant of a vector and b vector, which lies in the same plane as that of a and b. And new vector, that is r1 vector, it is the resultant of vector r and c, which lies in the plane as that of r vector and c vector. So from here we can conclude r vector is not a null vector. R vector is not a null vector, means its magnitude is not equal to 0. Also, this new vector, this new resultant will lie in the plane of r vector and c vector. So therefore we can conclude from here the new resultant vector, that is the summation of a vector plus b vector plus c vector, cannot be 0, and it does not lie in the plane of a vector and b vector. Therefore the answer of this question will be, that is summation of a vector plus b vector plus c vector cannot be 0. Thank you.